This demo shows a humanoid interacting with a drone in a fully autonomous cross-chain transaction powered by peaq, Base, and LayerZero. Both the humanoid and the drone operate as independent economic agents. They can discover each other, form agreements, lock funds, and complete payments, all without human intervention. We'll walk through this process step by step. On the right-hand side, we have the humanoid being the Unitree, and on the left-hand side of the terminal, we have the drone. So first things first, we are going to establish the identity for each of these participants on peaq, and they register their on-chain identity by using the ERC-8004 identity registry. So on the right-hand side, we did that with the Unitree, and on the left-hand side, we are doing that with the agent, and then we get agent IDs back, which will be needed later in the flow. So next here, we have that create purchase claim on peaq, and what this does is essentially it creates a service claim on peaq, and this represents a task request to the drone, and in this case, a data analysis service with payment specified in USDT on Base. Okay, so we specify it as $1, and then right now, the claim is being recorded on chain in the claim registry and includes the buyer, the seller, the service type, and the payment amount. And then once this is actually created, we get a claim ID back, and the drone retrieves this claim from peaq, which is where they inputted 11 as the claim ID that we got back from the right-hand side to put in the left-hand side. And then here they will verify the details and confirm that it is in the intended service provider. And the drone accepts the claim on chain and stakes collateral, signaling commitment to perform the work. At this point, a verifiable service agreement exists between the humanoid and the drone. Okay, great. So now we have to go on to the next step, which is the cross-chain escrow funding. And this is where the humanoid funds the escrow wallet on Base, and the humanoid here will deposit 1 USDT into the escrow wallet on the Base network. This guarantees payment before the work actually begins. As soon as this deposit occurs, LayerZero automatically sends a cross-chain message from Base to peaq. And now here both terminals are monitoring the claim status on peaq. After the LayerZero message is delivered, the claim status updates from accepted to funded. And then once it does that, this confirms that the escrow has been funded on Base and verified on peaq. And once this has happened, the drone will have cryptographic assurance that the payment is locked and ready. Okay, so we got that assurance with the funded. And now on the left-hand side, the drone has to perform some sort of work in a real-life scenario. So since that escrow is funded, the drone would perform the requested service. And once the service is complete, the humanoid releases payment from the escrow wallet on Base. This triggers another LayerZero cross-chain message back to peaq. As the message is received, the claim status on peaq updates again, this time to completed. Simultaneously, the drone receives the USDT payment directly on Base. Okay, so we are waiting for that to be completed on the left-hand side. All right, great. Payment has been released. And there we go. The transaction is now fully settled across chains. So at the end of the flow, the drone has received payment on Base, the humanoid has successfully paid for the service, and the claim on peaq reflects a completed verified transaction. All steps, identity, agreement, escrow funding, and settlement, were executed autonomously between machines. Thank you very much for watching.